Real estate is a vast and diverse industry, providing opportunities for people with a wide range of skills and interests. While property ownership is undoubtedly one way to make money in real estate, it is by no means the only option. There are many other aspects of the industry to consider, such as financing, development, and construction. With the proper knowledge and resources, anybody can make money in real estate. Hello everyone! Welcome to Invest Wisdom Channel. In this video, we will talk about 7 real estate business startup ideas to invest in this 2022. If you're new to the channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. These are all great businesses with a lot of growth potential. So if you're thinking about starting your own business, this is something worth watching. The first real estate business startup idea to invest in this 2022 is to start a property management company. While some may think that the current state of the economy is not ideal for starting a business, there are many opportunities for those with a keen eye for business. One business startup idea to be successful in the coming year is to start a property management company. As more and more people looking to invest in real estate, there will be an increasing demand for quality property management services. Those who can provide such services will be in a prime position to succeed. To succeed, however, it will be essential to have a strong understanding of the real estate market and the needs of potential clients. Those who can combine these two elements will be well on their way to starting a successful property management company in 2022. Second, invest in real estate crowdfunding. If you're looking for a wise real estate investment for this year, look no further than crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a new way to invest in property and offers several advantages over more traditional methods. For one thing, it's a very accessible way to start the industry. You can start investing with as little as $5,000. And because you're pooling your money with other investors, you can spread the risk and potentially increase your chances of seeing a return on your investment. Another great thing about real estate crowdfunding is that it allows you to invest in various properties. There's something for everyone, from office buildings and retail space to apartments and single-family homes. And because the investments are typically made via syndicates, you can often get access to exclusive deals that you wouldn't be able to find on your own. Crowdfunding is an excellent option if you're looking for a wise real estate investment for this year. With its low barriers to entry and potential for high returns, it's an investment worth considering. The third real estate business startup idea to invest this 2022 is to create a real estate investment fund. This can be a desirable option for accredited investors looking to diversify their portfolios and earn passive income. There are a few different ways to structure a real estate investment fund, but one common approach is to pool investor capital and use it to purchase income-producing properties. The fund manager then manages the properties and distributes the profits after expenses to the investors. This can be a great way to earn steady returns without actively working the properties yourself. Of course, starting a real estate investment fund is not without its risks and challenges. One of the biggest challenges is raising enough capital to get the fund off the ground. You also need to do your homework to choose experienced and trustworthy partners, including a property management company. If you're not planning on managing the properties yourself, but if you're willing to work, creating a real estate investment fund can be an excellent way to achieve your financial goals in 2022 and beyond. Fourth, buy and flip properties. While there are many different ways to get involved in the real estate market, flipping properties can offer several advantages. For starters, it can be a relatively quick and easy way to generate profits. By buying properties that need repair and then selling them after making the necessary improvements, you can earn a significant return on your investment. Additionally, property flipping can be a great way to get started in the real estate business with limited capital. With that said, there are also some risks associated with flipping properties. For one thing, the market for fixer-uppers can be highly competitive, making it challenging to find properties that offer a good return on investment. Additionally, if you're not experienced in home repairs, you could lose money on a flip if the repairs costs more than you anticipated. Despite these risks, however, property flipping can be a lucrative business venture for those willing to put in the time and effort required to succeed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you liked the video. Fifth, develop residential or commercial properties. Developing properties can be a great way to earn income and build long-term wealth. And with the current market conditions, there has never been a better time to get started in the real estate business. For those looking to invest in the year 2022, here are a few tips on how to get started in the development business. Number 1. Research the market. The first step is doing homework and researching the local market. What are the trends? What type of development is in demand? This will help you identify which project will be most profitable. Number 2. Find the right location. The key to successful property development is finding the right place. A good site will have a high demand and be close to amenities such as schools, shopping, and public transportation. Number 3. Get financing. Once you have found the perfect location, securing the funding is next. Several options are available, including traditional bank loans and private equity investors. Number 4. Hire a team. A successful development project requires a team of experts, from architects and engineers to construction workers and real estate agents. Assemble the right team for your project and ensure everyone is on the same page from start to finish. The 6th real estate business startup idea to invest in this 2022 is to invest in mortgages or loan servicing rights. Investing in mortgages can be a great way to earn passive income, as you will collect monthly payments from borrowers. Similarly, by investing in loan servicing rights, you will be responsible for collecting and managing loan payments on behalf of the lender. Both options can provide a steady stream of income, which can help offset some of the inherent risks involved in owning and operating a real estate business. Finally, create a construction cleaning company. As the housing market continues to rebound, there will be an increasing demand for new construction projects. To meet this demand, construction companies will need to hire firms to clean up the construction sites after the work is completed. A construction cleaning company is a startup business idea for 2022. This type of business provides an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to start their businesses. Construction cleaning companies can be profitable businesses, and they offer a wide range of services that can be customized to meet the needs of each client. There are a few things that you should keep in mind if you are interested in starting your own construction cleaning company. First, you will need to obtain the proper licenses and insurance. Second, you will need to find a niche market you can target. And third, you will need to create a business plan that outlines your goals and objectives. With some planning and preparation, you can launch your own successful construction cleaning company in 2022. Have you invested in a real estate business yet? Real estate is always a wise choice if you're looking for a business to invest in. The industry is increasing, and there are many opportunities to get started. These 7 business startup ideas should give you some inspiration on where to start. Remember, do your research and ensure you are investing in a market with growth potential. With the proper planning and execution, your real estate business can be successful in no time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.